and welcome to the Pram Man Channel. So, what are we going to be doing on the Pram Man Channel on YouTube? Well, we're going to be looking at Prams, Pushchairs and nursery goods and reviewing them like a lot of other channels do, but also we're going to go behind the scenes and we're going to do buying guides. How do you go about buying a pram, a pushchair and a nursery good so you get the best item for you? Also, we're going to have a look at how you use your products, how you use them and clean them and maintain them to get a longer life out of different nursery products. And then later on, we'll get your views of your prams, pushchairs and nursery goods, maybe trade shows, maybe shop visits and all sorts of stuff that we've got planned. So if you fancy, you like the Pram Man channel, all things that's prams, pushchairs and nursery goods, please press like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next week.